Hi everyone, welcome back to E-Door to the World. I'm Cody.
And I'm Krista. Today we're talking about something super useful, cleaning and cooking hacks.
Krista, I used to work in a restaurant when I was a teenager, so
Wow.
I have had to clean many, many kitchens.
Well, I'm sure there are tips.
Yeah.
Or maybe like certain cleaning products.
Yes, right. Unfortunately, the kitchen in the restaurant I worked at was so messy that after that restaurant went out of business and closed, there's a cleaning company that used our kitchen as an example of their cleaning service.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Just to show like how good they are. And
Yes. But this is the problem you have when all your employees are teenagers.
Oh my goodness. I actually don't like cleaning, so I hope these cleaning tips will help me.
I hope maybe they can help me too.
Okay, so we'll tell you about some cleaning and cooking tips, hacks, and maybe you have known some of them. And let's get started.
Okay. Before we start, let's just quickly review what is a life hack or tip. So basically, what we are talking about is something you can do to make your work faster or easier. Some easy way to make your work faster or easier.
Cool, thank you. We'll start with cleaning tips. And the number one we're sharing is the sock duster.
Right.
So you can use an old sock, okay, to help cleaning like desk or shelves. So you put a clean old sock on your hand and wipe dusty places like desks or shelves.
It's good because when you do it this way, like your hand can bend. So like if you use the normal duster, it's like some cloth on a stick. But if you need to get behind something, it's not so easy. But with the sock duster on your hand, right, if you need to go behind the shelf or something, right, it's much easier. Your hand is very flexible.
And also the very, what do you say? You can recycle, like using the sock again.
Right. Then you can wear your sock.
No, it's supposed to be an old sock.
Yeah, right. Use an old sock. Don't wear it.
Okay, number 2 is lemon. You can lemon microwave cleaner. So you can use half a lemon in a bowl of water and heat it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then wipe the inside. And the lemon water makes steam, and which will loosens the dirt, and the acid in the lemon kills bacteria.
And it smells great.
Oh yeah, that's why many clean products are lemon flavored.
Yeah, right.
Like that.
Yeah, it's like a very fresh smell.
Yes. And next one is vinegar spray for windows. Vinegar is what we use in cooking. 醋. Okay. So you can mix vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spread it on glass and wipe with paper. And basically it's also using the acid in the vinegar.
Right.
So the acid will remove dirt and kills germs. And there's no need for using chemicals.
Whenever I worked in a restaurant, we cleaned with vinegar a lot, especially if you have something that's like sticky or greasy or like oil. Like the acid in the vinegar can really help make those things easier to clean. And yeah, it also works for windows.
Oh yeah. Does it like keep the windows like clean, like shiny, spotless for a while too?
I'm not sure. I've actually never...
I hope it does that too.
I've never done it for a window. Usually at the restaurant, I would clean the grill. At the end of the night, when the grill is still hot, we would pour vinegar on it to get all of the black stuff off so that it can be shiny again the next day.
And then there's no chemical and like
Exactly.
something that's harmful to your body.
Right, you don't have to breathe it.
Oh, yeah, well, you can breathe while you're cleaning, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stinks though.
Like mean the vinegar?
Yeah, the vinegar on the hot vinegar on the grill, but it's still better.
Yeah, it's still like healthier, safer,
more natural. Yeah.
Yes.
And cheap.
Yeah, I think it's cheaper than buying the products. Yes, okay. And the next one, I'm not too sure about this. It's supposed to be, I was gonna say, motivating.
Yeah.
But not for me. Okay, so this is more something like competing with someone else. Okay, so the idea is that you set a timer for 2 minutes and then you clean your desk as fast as you can. This kind of pushes you to do things quickly, but I don't know. Like I probably need to think through like where what to toss away and where to put what. So I'm not sure these hacks helps me though.
I feel like this one is useful for if you have like a younger brother or sister. Be like, I bet you can't clean my desk in 2 minutes.
Or it can be a parenting way to let's clean.
Trick them, yeah.
Let's clean up.
Or I think maybe it could be useful if like on that day you really, really, really don't want to clean. Be like, well, at least it's just 2 minutes. Whatever I can do in 2 minutes, that's what I can do today.
I think I did that before, but it's not 2 minutes, more like 30 minutes. Like maybe a friend is coming visiting.
Yeah, right.
I'm like, okay, there's just so much time I have, but I still have to try to make an effort to make my room look better. So there's the 30 minutes I'm gonna just do nothing. I'll play the music and I'll just clean. And 30 minutes done, and that's it. And that's my effort.
I feel like if it's 2 minutes, you have to do it every day.
Oh, that's true, because only 2 minutes.
Yeah, you can't do much in 2 minutes.
You probably just wipe the desk and then, okay, 2 minutes.
Yeah, done.
Or just decide, this should go away.
Yeah, right.
The time runs up. Okay, so you can try these, tips. All right, we're gonna continue with cooking hacks, and the number one is how you can check if the eggs are still fresh. So what I know how to check fresh may not be as useful because I actually need to crack the eggs open to tell that if it's really watery, then it's not as fresh.
Yeah.
And this hack is for if you don't have boiled eggs that you cannot crack it open. So you put the egg in a bowl of water, and then if it sinks, it's fresh because that means it's heavier. And if it floats, then it's a little older because the eggs that are older have more air.
Really?
That's the idea. Oh. Yeah, so it should float if it's older.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that. Well, that's easy. Great.
Yes. But if you put the eggs in the water, you better, cook them, eat them as soon as possible, okay? You don't just do it for fun. You have to eat it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they turn bad. All right. Okay, number 2 is to peel the garlic fast. This method actually try with the eggs again too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so basically you put the eggs or the garlic in a small jar container, and then you shake it. Of course, you cover it. You cover it with the lid, and then you shake it. And you try to break off of the outside, the coating.
Yeah.
Yes, I did that with the eggs too, and it works.
Wow, nice. Yeah, I haven't tried that.
Because this one time I had to how do you say for the eggs?
Oh, peel.
Also peel. Do you say peel?
Maybe.
Okay, basically the same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So there were so many. I was like, I got tired of doing it one by one. Mm-hmm. I was thinking what I can do. So I saw this water bottle, a big one, and then I used it to shake it. I put the eggs inside and then shake it. It's not perfect, but it did save me time. So same thing for the garlic. I can try.
Yeah, right. And we're talking about, students, cooked eggs.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, cooked eggs. Cooked boiled eggs. Okay, boiled eggs.
Don't shake your raw egg.
You're going to, sorry. Okay. And next one, I kind of know it, but I haven't really tried it.
Yeah.
You put a slice of bread in a cookie jar because it's supposed to help absorb the moisture, right? Yeah. I've never done it though.
I will do something like that with my spices. My spice jars, I'll put a little bit of uncooked white rice inside to help it from clumping together.
The rice helps too.
Yeah, a bit. It's not perfect, but it helps a little bit.
Okay, that's something easy. And the next one is something teacher Cody had done before is the microwave mug cake. So let him share.
So just it's fun to try, and it's simple and tastes pretty good. So you just take maybe 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and some cocoa. Right, and you mix it together in a mug, right, a microwave-safe mug, and then just heat it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then you'll have a small cake that tastes pretty good. Like, considering you can make it in
such a short time, right?
Yeah, like 2 minutes from no cake to cake in 2 minutes. It's pretty good, right? If you really need a snack fast, it's a easy way.
Yes. Let's continue with the vocabulary for this episode. Okay, so
the first word we're talking about is wipe, and wipe means to clean something by rubbing it.
擦拭.
Right, the second vocabulary word is chop, C-H-O-P, to cut something into small pieces.
就是剁或者剁碎.
Right, and the last word is fresh. Which means clean, new, or just not old, right? It's useful for the egg or the fresh food.
新鲜的.
All right, and let me make a sample sentence with one of the words. Let's use fresh. I really love to go to the market to buy some fresh, tasty fruit.
Okay, let's go to question of the day. So we've shared some hacks, right? So, question. What's one cleaning or cooking hack you want to try at home? And why?
We hope you enjoy this episode. You can use the Google form to write down your answers and send your worksheet. You may win a big prize. For more information, please visit Taoyuan ETRC FB or website.
欢迎各位投稿学习单，在各单集的说明栏中会有 Google 表单的投稿连结，投稿一次就是一次抽奖机会，希望大家踊跃参加。We learned so many fun and useful tricks today. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring, and cooking can be easy and delicious.
Yes. Thanks for listening to E-Door to the World.
See you next time. Bye-bye.